So here we're taking a look at the YONHAN adjustable current battery charger. So this is a car battery charger, battery maintainer, which gives you an automatic trickle charge, so maintaining batteries charged for long periods of times, and a battery to self-rotator with temperature compensation. So basically it's a 3-in-1 smart charger. It has a multi-amp 1, 5, and 10. It's adjustable with multi-amp currents up to 3, which is the 1 amp, 5 amp, and 10 amp, giving you flexibility of basically 3 chargers in one unit. It's compatible with AGM, gel, lead acid battery. It has intelligence in it with technology, and it could detect the battery type and lets you manually select the optimum current based on capacity. So one charger will cover a wide range of applications. So it's perfect for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, boats, snowblowers, whatever you have in your garage and in your house. So it's great also for routine maintenance and rejuvenation of batteries. So it's ready for the winter with its trickle charger and built-in full safety protections. It'll trickle charge your battery during the winter, and it has summer modes. It has smart control to adapt to temperature changes, and it'll adjust its rate, preventing battery drain and other protections. So you're ready to go. If you have that classic car or that snowblower that's off season, you can have it on a trickle and you'll be ready to go once you need to put it back into use. It's basically, it would come in handy when I had my boat and the boat is just parked and not being used for a long period of time, like winter layover, and you can set it to the trickle charger and maintain that battery so that when boating season starts, you just crank it right up and no issues. So this is a pretty good unit. It's very simple, it's very smart, and helps you maintain your equipment. So buy with confidence, put it in the cart, and just